Now, I wanted the easiest way to have 28 spokes going around this, but yet have them stop at the cup. So what I did was draw the first line and then open up the wreath tool, select 28 spokes, and then I want to have this I understand they may not match up with the art. I'm finding everything about this piece of art is really not symmetrical. So let's see if that does it for me. Oh, pretty nice. Okay. And I believe that's a line going out and coming back in. Let's see what we can do. So I'll select the knife tool. First of all, I'm going to go ahead and, I want to select the spokes and then the knife tool. And we were taught to grab the knife tool, cut a line, hit enter, and then you have to grab the knife tool again. But if you'll just continue with it, so I have my knife tool selected and I'm going to begin cutting, but I'm not going to enter until I do all of the spokes. Now I'll hit enter. And then I'll go, let's hit escape. With my selection tool, I'll select this one. I'm holding control so that I can get each of these that I've cut. That was odd. I think because I'm using this trackpad instead of a mouse or my drawing pad, I have some little bobbles here and there. Let's try to delete those. So it did them in two sections. And I think that's the movement of stitching out and back in. Let's see if these look better. And delete. Okay, those are gone. Now there's no way I want this center to be there. And eventually I want these lines to all connect together. So I'll take my red and duplicate it and change that to an outline stitch and give it the same color as the spokes. And that's actually going to go to the front of the work. Okay. And then let's look at, I had already done that's my little teacup right there. But I do want to show you how I did that. So let's go ahead and delete it. I'm going to take the coffee cup so that I can get a true outline of it. I'll come to an offset tool, and about 1 millimeter away, I just need a tatami feel. Okay. Now when I select this, my spokes, then I'm going to hold Control and the cup. And I always have to look around. I think the one I want is flattened. It's going to trim all overlaps. And they are gone. And we can see them. We can see that they're all shortened. But to have this sew nicely, what I'm going to do then is come to the, because they all touch, I'm going to come to the branching tool. And I don't care where it starts, so I'll touch enter twice. And they are branched together. And this is waste. So we can delete it. Let's see. And it didn't do it. Goodness. Let's see if it'll do it branched. It appears to. That took care of it. So, by branching all of these spokes to the circle outline, and what it did is it broke the branching. That's fine. So I'll put that back again. And let's run the stitch player. So that's going to cover, and that's going to cover the outside. And it leaves the cup. Let's get ahead to where the cup is. So that's how to put in multiple spokes. We can hide this. And then reduce, or actually remove lines from underneath an area.